You know, learning, I don't know what you call this, but the funny story of being a chef is that, in kitchens, we were using expensive and premium ingredients just to create and cook a dish for a guest. And then eventually, when we got home, we were just preparing, eating like this and instant food. The reasons behind this is that I guess we're tired. So just to fulfill our hungry stomach, we prefer just to eat right away. Take us a little bit while and go to your bed and sleep because tomorrow there's another battle. So I think it's the guess. I think that's the start of being a chef. But it's okay. It's okay. We're like it. Morning. Kagising ko lang madaling araw. Medyo gutom ako. So, nagilong katawan ng pagkain. And then, iba na sa chiller iba na mag-init. So, ito na lang. So, yun lang. Morning. Alas 2 na ng madaling araw. Bye.